you're on YouTube.
Yo, cool! I'm on YouTube!
Where's your parents? Where's your parents?
Hi, I'm Miles! My name is Miles!
Hey guys, welcome back to Red Sea Plus. So we're here again and another adventure. This time I'm going to try to find this large waterfall at this park known as Wadsworth Waterfall. So yeah, come with me. Let's go check it out. So this is the main entrance. We're going in this way. So yeah, so I've never been here before. Actually, Nayoka sent me an Instagram video about this place and decided to come here and go exploring. Brand new trail, brand new town up here in the northeast forest of the continental United States. Let's make a movie. So this sign says Big Falls, and that's where we're heading. What's up?
And we go around and poke them around.
Just a long cobweb. So places like these on a weekend are always going to be super busy. So I anticipate seeing a lot of people. I did something that I usually don't do, which is start hiking midday. But I had to run some errands for Nayoka, which prevented me from doing an early morning hike in this place. But that's why I'm out here midday. Luckily, I'm in the forest. Therefore, there's lots and lots of tree coverage. We're in September. Typically isn't very hot or humid from my recollection up here in the Northeast, so that also helps tremendously. This trail is supposed to be, I think they said an hour and a half, I think. Yeah, I believe they said like an hour and a half sort of walk, so I don't know. To be quite honest, I haven't been out on my usual trails in a while. I've just been like doing a lot of gym work. So yeah, I haven't been exploring out a great deal. The last adventure I actually had was that the Jeep adventure we went on. If you haven't seen that video, it's pretty cool. Went out in Massachusetts. That video, I'll probably put a link to it at the end of this video. But yeah, I should go ahead and check it out. So that was the last one before now. And so you get that this essentially also another thing that I don't really like doing is all dressed up, all geared out, and people walking with their kids in strollers, which typically says, one, it's not that far of a hike. Two, it's not difficult at all, but it's cool. I guess it's an orange trail. See that orange marker on the tree there? Yeah, but it's fine. Not all hikes need to be super dangerous or super, you know, crazy. You could just go out and take a walk. but I do like those challenges though. I'm excited to see what this big falls looks like in person. Yeah. Anyway, enough talking and more walking. So like you just saw on the sign, there's two falls at this place. There's a big falls and a little falls. And so our goal today is to go ahead and try to find the big falls. Yeah, I think it's a over 3 mile hike. I think it's 3.6, I believe. So, right up my alley. Birds of prey there. Okay. I have to check my map because there's a Y in the road. So let me check my map, make sure I don't get lost. Okay, so I consulted my map, consulted a bystander, and they had both map and bystander confirmed that this is the correct way. So continue. What's up?
Oh, yeah.
All right. I actually don't think that I'm supposed to swim here, but I think people actually do, as people tend to break the rules oftentimes. So I wouldn't be surprised if in fact people do swim in there, but that's not what we're doing today. We're just trying to check it out, see what it's about. So this is essentially a big loop based on my research, but usually when I take on trails like this, it seems longer than it actually is for the first time, just because you don't know the area. But as soon as it gets more familiar, it doesn't seem as long, because you end up having a lot of trail markers that definitely helps you along the way. So yeah. Anyway, let me show you the trail. Sounds like someone is having a good time. Oh yeah, so this is the sprained ankle story. So one of the reasons why I haven't posted a lot, you know, well, one of the reasons, but the major reason is the fact that I sprained both my ankles in 2 separate incidents. One worse than the other, but just when I thought one was getting better, then I was doing some yard work, stepped on a shovel too hard, and messed up my other ankle. So yeah, there's another Y in the road, but luckily this one is, I don't know if you can see it from this far, but that one has a blue tree marker, and then where we're going has the orange. So I'm just going to continue this way. I've been seeing some people, not as much as I had initially anticipated, but maybe they were here earlier, who knows. So all this time walking, didn't have any sort of I don't know, mosquito encounters. But if it continues, I'm gonna have to cover my ears because I hate that. But all right. But luckily I did bring it there, so I should be fine. I should definitely be fine. But yeah, people continue. What's funny is that I'm just realizing folks think, because I'm using the front-facing camera for my cell phone here. So I guess people think, if they see the camera's pointing towards them, they're thinking I'm shooting them, but you know, it is what it is. Anyway, gonna try to pick up some pace because I don't have time to waste. Let's go. All right, so far I've walked for 34 minutes, covered 1.4 miles. I hear water off to the distance. We passed a sign that said the Wadsworth Waterfall, but I'm hearing road. But actually someone did tell me that for a short period we're gonna break out of the forest and onto the street before getting back into the forest. So it sounds like we're close to that area now. Just looking around as usual. Flip the camera, show you what I'm seeing. This is the only water so far, coming from that direction there, flowing down that direction. But our trail continues this way. You can snapshot that and read it if you like. But we continue. So let's see. So the trail. So we're in the neighborhood. Looks like a neighborhood to actually walk by. But it goes down this way. I don't know, this is, I don't know. This doesn't make sense. I'm super bad at directions though. But I think, all right, so let me think rationally. So someone at the parking area did tell me that there was another parking area closer for, I guess, people who don't want to hike, who actually just want to go directly to the falls. So that's what I'm coming up close to now. So it actually, for a quick instance, I actually thought I made a loop right back to where I initially parked, but no. This is just the other parking lot that they told me about, which I guess is closest to the big falls. Yeah, there's water over there flowing somewhere. So I'm guessing it's flowing to where we're going. Alright, so I'm still looking for markers, information, and just see people, but don't necessarily want to follow people in the woods because you never know where people are going. So, but now I'm heading down. I don't see any tree markers currently. I do hear water. So, okay. Alright, so made it to the waterfall. Let's have a look from this vantage point first, and then go lower and see what we can get. It wasn't that bad. Yeah, if you're really into hiking, you should probably take on the hike, but if you just want to see the waterfall, yeah, you can just drive and walk 2 minutes and you'll be able to see it. But anyway, let's reveal the waterfall to you guys. So as you can see, we made it to the waterfall. Yeah, that's gonna wrap this video up. As usual, guys, if you can hear me, subscribe to Wadsworth Plus on YouTube for more adventures as we venture in the Northeast. Peace. Hey guys, so this wraps up our little adventure here to Wadsworth Waterfall, the big waterfall. There's two of these, a little one and a big one. And since I haven't been out venturing for a while, I figured I'll take something on that's beautiful, that's amazing. And that's that waterfall here. That's that drop off right here. Woo. Water flows from this side. Beautiful place. But ultimately, thank you for watching Wadsworth Plus, my friends, and until the next one, keep moving. Peace.